So let's just wrap up the segment on food here with my pot of beans on top of the UCO candle lantern. In this case, it's the 3-light candelier, and that little candle lantern actually gets hot enough to boil water. It does take a little bit of time, usually about half an hour, but you can boil water on that candelier. So it also throws off a good amount of heat, about 5,000 BTU from that one. Just for comparison, your little Mr. Heater Buddy, the smallest one, also throws off 5,000 BTU of heat, so about the same. This one takes 3 of the UCO candles, and they're kind of a specific size, so you got to buy UCO brand or ones that are made to fit this. They're about $1.30 each, so 3 candles, about $4. Gonna last you about 6 hours total burn time. So sorry, about 9 hours total burn time on those 3 candles. So Mr. Heater Buddy's only about 6 hours. Mr. Heater Buddy runs off of a 1-pound propane bottle, and those things are, probably, again, depending on where you buy them, $6, $7, $8. So 3 candles in this case, cheaper and a longer burn time. And let's just take a peek in on our soup here. I call it soup, but I put a little bit too much water in there, so basically we got soup, but that's our mixture of mung beans, quinoa, chia seeds, and a little bit of lard for some fat in there, and then we're just going to season that with some salt and pepper. So it's come together. We're going to give it another couple minutes, and then we're going to finally have some dinner.